Actually, nandiyan na lang yung talaga yung airport. As in, airport, it's there. Incheon International Airport. Nandyan na lang, guys. Ayan. Hello guys! Annyeonghaseyo! Kumusta kayong lahat? This is Dave, the Kuripot Traveler, and nandito tayo ngayon sa South Korea. Specifically sa Incheon, guys. Like right in front of the airport. Yan. So, this is our last 5-star hotel for this 10-day trip. So, this is the official last day of our 10-day trip. So, yung iba kong kasama ay uuwi na today. Pero, merong mga tulad ko, we're 6. May mga tulad kong nag-extend. So, last night, we were very senti about everything kasi we had good memories in this 10-day trip going to 5 different tourism hub cities in Korea. And lahat ng accommodation natin, guys, kung ano yung best sa city, yun yung kinukuha nila. So, this time in Incheon, we're staying in Grand Hyatt. Ayan. Diba, minsan lang tayo sa mga ganito. So, gusto ko talaga siyang i-vlog. And, mag-extend tayo, magstay ulit tayo sa guest house or sa hostel. Siyempre, tipid-tipid tayo, guys. Diba? Wala naman talaga tayong ginastos sa 10-day trip na ito because, again, Kamsahamnida, Korea Tourism Organization. Still surreal. Ngayong 10th day na natin, still surreal na I was able to be part of this. I'm able to be part of this with different creators from all over the world na very pure, humble, and supportive. So, ayan, ang haba pala ng intro. Ito yung view natin paggising sa umaga. Yan. May golf course doon. And of course, the airport. Tapos may shuttle bus sila papuntang airport. It's almost autumn, guys. Kaya may mga puno na pula-pula na yung leaves. And this is the bed. Double bed. Nagamit ko na siya. Syempre, medyo kunot-kunot na siya. Kunot-kunot. Kunot-kunot. Ayan, gusot-gusot. And then, yan, may pa-couch. Couch bang tawag dyan? And then here, you can work. Sarap tumambay dito, guys. It's our first time na gumising ng late. I mean, lumabas ng hotel ng late. Kasi last day nga. Usually kasi mabilisan yung schedule namin. And then, of course, nandito yung mga freebie. May mga complimentary, water. And then, guys, may plancha. May plancha at kabayo pa. Diba? Tapos may panglinis ng sapatos din dyan. Ayan. Siyempre, inuwi natin yung tsinelas. Sayang naman. And then, this is the CR. Ayan, ginamit ko na tong CR na to, kaya basa-basa na dyan. So, ayan, tari. Anong pronunciation yan? Balmain? Balmain? Paris. Body wash, conditioner, and then shampoo. And then, of course, the bathtub, the shower, and then this, the mirror, the sink, daming towels, and the toilet bowl is automatic. I love it. Look. Mag-e-enjoy kayo dito, guys. Ayan, may bathrobe. So yun, mabilis lang, guys, kasi we have to catch the breakfast. Hanggang 10:30 lang siya. Let's go. Anong oras na? 10:16. Tara, kain tayo. This is the second floor. Hello. Where's the breakfast area? Just go straight. Enter to the right side. Okay, so I will go down. Yeah. Thank you so much. So, ganitong itsura ng 5-star hotel, Grand Hyatt. Sana may maabutan tayong breakfast. Wala pa namang 10:30. So, yung breakfast dito, guys, since it's weekend, it's Saturday, nire-reserve natin. Alright? So, may QR code and then we have to reserve. Ayan. Kasi, nasa nasa west. So, yung breakfast ay nasa east na wing. Let's go. Charan! Diba? Nice. The weather is nice. It's cold because it's autumn season. Kaya naka-jacket tayo ngayon. Look. First time natin mag-Grand Hyatt, guys. Kasi, diba, guest house as a Kuripot Traveler. Guest house, person, hostel person. So, itong 5-star hotel, parang hindi siya necessary for me. Dito bababa. Oh my gosh, I'm lost. Where is the breakfast area? Nawawala ako, guys. Hello, kinakabahan baka di ako umabot. Sayang naman yung breakfast. Minsan lang tayo dito. Ay, ayan. I think this is it. We can now go down. Oh, I think that's it. Doon. Where do... Ah, yun, may elevator. Ayan. Diba? Kita niyo yung pagpapanik natin. Sinama ko kayo sa pagpapanik natin. Let's go! Gumising ako na medyo mabigat yung pakiramdam. Ganito ako kapag nasesipanks. Lalo na kapag naging close yung mga kasama. What time na ba? Abot ba ako? 10:20. Abot naman. Clutch. Mabilis ang pagkain ng breakfast. Ground floor. Whew! Yan. Grand Hyatt. Let's go! This is it. Ang social, guys, no? My gosh, I'm very much thankful that we're here and na-experience natin yung mga ganitong bagay once in a lifetime. Ito yung mga bagay na inspires me to work harder para experience natin with our own money, diba? Ayan, umabot naman tayo. Nag-reserve tayo, guys, again, sa QR code. Ito yung first time na nag-reserve tayo for breakfast. Usually kasi papasok na lang. Ang kabog ng access card nila, guys. It's wood. Pakita lang natin yung mga food dito sa buffet. Until 10:30 only. 10:22 na. Pang-lunch na rin natin to, guys. Look. Ang kabog. Pero may mga chef talaga, no? Kitang-kita natin yung paggawa nila ng pagkain dito. Here, yung mga pastries. Uy, antaray. Pero feeling ko binibili to. hindi to ata kasama sa buffet. Oh, may robot. Ito naman noodles area. Dim sum area. Cereals. My favorite. Sige, kuha na tayo, guys. Mayroon na lang tayong ilang minuto to get some food. Guys, nasa 2,500 yung breakfast buffet dito. So, sulitin natin to. Bye-bye! Let's go! Grabe yung 2,500 na breakfast buffet. Wild! Of course, our favorite yogurt. Ayan, nabutan na tayo ng cut-off, guys. Buti talaga. Nawala si Diana. Diana is our BFF from Mexico. Ginagamay ko pa pala tong DJI kasi bago. Let's eat, guys. Let's do this. Sarap nung rice. And pork belly. One of the best buffet breakfast we've ever had. Nasa top 2 siya. But probably the first one. I love the... Yeah, I think this is the best one. Best breakfast buffet. Wala pang 5 minutes. Huwag niyo akong i-judge. Chicken patty, guys. May tatawag na chicken patty. Sa trip na to, ang dami talaga nating natry. Ang daming food na natry. Saga na tayo sa pagkain dito. Hindi tayo nagutom dito sa 10-day trip na to. Siyempre, bilang mga tirador, matutuwa si Mama nito. Dalhin natin yung mga tea at kung anek-anek. Pwede din itong pampasalubong, guys. Diba? Friends, you know me. If you want this, pwede nyong idibs. Okay? Pero dalhin ko to sa bahay. Diba? Pampasalubong kay Mama. Tara, check out na tayo. Ayan, ang dami nating pasalubong from the different cities na pinuntahan natin. Tara na, guys! Punta tayo sa other hotel. We're gonna tour the Paradise Hotel. Yun yung paradise ng Singles Inferno. Season 2. So, other vlog ko naman siya, okay? Morning! We already checked out. Pero nag-luggage storage tayo, guys. They allow naman the luggage storage dito sa Grand Hyatt. Ay, ang ganda ng panahon. I love it. Malamig. So, yung luggage storage natin need ng ganitong tag para, makuha natin yung luggage natin later. So, tara. Just walking in Incheon in the morning. So, that's a quick vlog, guys, of our stay in Grand Hyatt. This is Dave, the Kuripot Traveler. Sana this is not the last time na makapag 5-star hotel tour tayo. This is Dave, the Kuripot Traveler. Let's live our best lives. Bye-bye! Pak Grand Hyatt. Of course, I just want to share, guys, with you how the hotel looks like at night and yung view. Actually, it's almost 4 a.m. Medyo late tayo matulog today or this morning kasi nag-heart-to-heart talk pa tayo with our co-creators. Kasi last night was the last night that we're together for this trip. Nakakasipunks. Anyway, pero ito yung view. Ito yung view outside. Ganda.